look at these pictures and tell me what they are. Ship, shoe, a t-shirt. Ship, shoe, a t-shirt. Which sound is coming in all of them? Shh. Yeah, you are right. It's the sh sound. S-H. When S and H comes together, they make a sound called sh. Alright? Let's go beyond. This is a tongue twister. I want you to read it for me. She sells seashells on the seashore. Alright? Let's read it once more. She sells seashells on the seashore. Let's say it faster. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. Can you say that quickly for me? All the best. And you know what? You also have to draw this in your books. And there are some really interesting riddles out there. All the best.